Let's talk about how to get the best exposure. The main features to understand are aperture and shutter, along with white balance. Aperture is a hole within a lens through which light travels into the camera body. If you want to take a photo and have the background be blurry, you'd use shallow depth of field. If you want to take a picture of a sweeping mountain vista, you'd want to use a small aperture size, meaning a high f-stop number, so that the entire scene is in sharp focus. To get the right exposure, the aperture and shutter need to be correctly balanced. A good camera allows for both. Adjustments to the aperture and shutter will allow the appropriate amount of light in. Slow shutter speeds allow more light into the camera sensor and are used for low light and night photography, while fast shutter speeds help to freeze motion. Examples of shutter speeds: 1/15th, which is 1/15th of a second, 1/30th, 1/60th, and 1/125th.